we've got this leg strap so kids don't have to bend over or try to tie their shoe on the table or anything like this. It's the same direction as their shoe, and it's the same lace that they can put on their shoe. So basically, the color changes where it comes out of the last eyelet. And the standard way to tie the shoe is to crisscross and pull down. And then you find the two stars, line them up. You take the white lace, same one you can let go, everything holds. And then you push the white lace under here. And the kids will grab this one and this loop and pull it tight. And they could just even out the laces. They have the tie. And with this memory in the shoelace, they don't even need a double tie because that doesn't come loose, because once that holds that knot, it's going to hold the knot. It's not going to come unloose. That's a big advantage. You don't have to double knot. The shoes laces won't ever come untied.